Hi everyone. Today I will let you know how to hatch in AutoCAD. I have this drawing and we will do the hatching. For hatch, type H, enter, and once you will type hatch, this hatch creation window will be open here. And here we have a pick points. If you select on pick points, you guys can pick the points, which points you want to pick. After that, we have a hatch pattern, and if you click here down, you will find here all the hatch pattern here. Let's say I will pick this one, and you guys can see that the hatch is not looking good. So here we have to change the scale of the hatch. Let's say I will make it 50 or I will make it 10. You guys can adjust the hatch as per your own requirement. So once you hover the cursor on the hatch pattern, it will automatically reflect here. See here. So once you will hover the cursor on the pattern, it will change automatically here. Let's say in this case, it is not showing properly. You guys can change the scale to 1. Once you satisfy which hatch pattern you want to choose, click OK and close this one. So here we have to change the hatch, type hatch edit, select the hatch, and here you guys can change the scale, or again type hatch edit and click here. You can change any pattern as per your own requirement. So you will find here for I already customed some hatch pattern. Maybe you will not find in your AutoCAD. Let's say I want to click this one. Okay, now the hatch pattern is changed. Again type H, and this time I will select this one, and here I will choose a hatch pattern, teak wood, and I will change the scale here 50 and then close this one. Similarly, again, if you want to edit the hatch pattern, type HE, select, enter, click on this S watch, select here, and change the hatch pattern. So here again click, and here you change the scale to 10. So in this way we can hatch any object in AutoCAD.